route the 10 feet power line that come with your dash cam or any other camera you have here on your dash. So it comes with these little sticky tabs that you could put your cables through, but I didn't use these. I'm gonna just show you how I did it. But what you need is one of these little wedges right here. It's a plastic wedge, and all of this stuff you can get in the description below. Just look at my description, you click the link, it'll take you to these parts. But I'm gonna just show you the route I took in putting this in my 2007 Toyota Tundra. As you can see, I'm getting in. You see my dash cam right here. You see my cable is up here. I didn't want to drop my cable straight down, so I mounted it right up there through here. I'm showing you the route, and I came across and I came out right here. So let me give you the details on how I did it. I'm recording this and trying to show you at the same time. But what I did, I got my little wedge, that little plastic wedge. Like I said, you can purchase that in the description. And I plugged it in first. And I took that cable and I went this route. And sometimes you can just shove it in with your fingers, but sometimes you have to wedge it to get the cable in. And it's not gonna hurt the cable or anything else. It's an old truck, so you may see some of the covering coming down. But you see this route I'm taking. As you can see, I'm gonna pull this back. It's a black cable, so you can't hold it. So I routed it straight under this seal. And when I got right here, what I did, I took this little cover off. It just pops right off. Then I took the glove compartment off. And what you do is just open the glove compartment and look to the right and unhook this little hook here. It just slides right off. You can see it pop off. And then pull your glove compartment about 90 degrees down or almost down. You squeeze it inside and release those tabs. And then it'll slide right out. See, I got a lot of junk in there. And it slid right out. So I'm gonna show you the route what I took. And like I said, I ran this cable down this seal. And when I got right here, I went under the glove compartment. And I'm gonna pull this back, see if you can see the cable. But you probably see the little black cable there. And I took it under the glove compartment. Let me see if I can get my camera under there and show you the line. And if you want to, you can tie wrap this stuff to make it real neat, if you want to. And I ran it under and I took it through this little hole right here. So it fit perfectly through this hole. It's some more cables that they put when they wired my stereo system in, but you see that fits right through there. So I took it under and brung it out like that. And that's really it. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.